Hey folks, welcome back. It's me Narendra. Today we are going to learn about global variables. Before diving into the topic, I'll give you a simple example. So at home we have our own things, right? For example, I have my own things like these are my clothes, and my sister, she's also having her own things like she's having her mobile phone or whatever the things might be. So she'll tell me that don't use my things. I will also tell her don't use my things. But we both can use our mama or papa's things, right? So in this case, global variables are the things which belongs to our parents. So those things we all can use. But the things which belongs to me or my sister are local variables. I think you have understood this particular example. So let's see in programming terms. Global variables. Variables that are created outside of a function. As in all of the examples above are known as a global variables. Global variables can be used by everyone, both inside of a function and outside. Here you can see here this variable x is having a string value called awesome. So you can here this in this particular function I can use this variable, or outside the function also I can use this particular variable, right? So we'll discuss about these functions in our upcoming tutorials. Okay, I'm just going to run this thing. Python is awesome. So here in this second example you can see here global variable is this one x, which is having a value called awesome. Here in this particular function we are having another variable called fantastic, and it is also having the same variable name called x, but these both are different. This one is a global variable and this one is a local variable. So this particular variable can only be used here inside this function only. So but this global variable can be used inside the function or outside the function also. So let me print this thing. So inside function we are using this local variable, outside this function we are using this global variable. Now we'll discuss about the global keyword. Normally when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local and can only be used inside that function. To create a global variable inside a function, you can use the global keyword. Here in this particular example you can see, so to use this local variable we can just give this global keyword to this particular variable. So we can use this particular local variable outside the function also. So basically this variable becomes global variable. I'm just going to run this thing. As you can see, also use the global keyword if you want to change a global variable inside a function. Here you can see what I'm just going to do. First I'll just run this thing. So you can see what I'm doing. This is our global variable, right? So what I'm just doing, I'm just going to change the global variable to x equals to fantastic. So I'm just going to change the global variable. So if I run this thing now, I'm getting this Python is fantastic. So now Python thinks this particular variable is global variable. I think you got some idea about this topic, and that's it for now. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.